Brain is a complex organ that controls thought, memory, emotion, touch, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature, hunger, and every process that regulates our body. Let us look at the primary function of the nervous system. Nervous system is the major controlling, regulatory, and communicating system in the body. It is the center of all mental activity including thought, learning, and memory. Your nervous system is your body's command center. Originating from your brain, it controls your movements, thoughts, and automatic responses to the world around you. Nervous system has two parts, which is the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. First, let's take a look on the central nervous system. Central nervous system is made up of two major parts: the brain and spinal cord. Brain is a complex organ that controls thought, memory, emotion, touch, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature, hunger, and every process that regulates our body. The brain is divided into main functional sections, called lobes. These sections or brain lobes are called the frontal lobe, temporal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, the cerebellum. Spinal cord. The spinal cord is a long bundle of nerves and cells that extends from the lower portion of the brain to the lower back. It carries signals between the brain and the rest of the body. The spinal cord are divided into 4 regions from top to bottom: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and sacral. This is a system that the portion of the nervous system that is outside the brain and spinal cord. This system is called as the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is further subdivided into the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. What does the somatic nervous system do? It is responsible for all the functions we are aware of and can consciously influence, including the movement of our arms, legs, and other parts of our body. The afferent or sensory division transmits impulses from peripheral organs to the central nervous system. The efferent or motor division transmits impulses from the central nervous system out to the peripheral organs to cause an effect or action. The autonomic nervous system is a component of the peripheral nervous system that regulates involuntary physiologic processes, including heart rate, blood pressure, respiration, digestion, and sexual arousal. It contains 2 anatomically distinct divisions, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic nervous system is division of the nervous system that functions to produce localized adjustments and reflex adjustments of the cardiovascular system. The parasympathetic nervous system predominates in quiet rest and digest conditions, while the sympathetic nervous system drives the fight or flight response in stressful situations. The main purpose of the parasympathetic nervous system is to conserve energy to be used later and to regulate bodily functions like digestion and urination.